Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Varchar versus text in MySQL, a comprehensive guide. Choosing the right data type for storing strings in your MySQL database is crucial for performance, storage efficiency, and application functionality. Varchar and text are two fundamental data types designed for storing strings, but they have key differences that affect how they're used and how they behave within the database. This tutorial will delve deep into these differences, providing practical examples and guidance to help you make informed decisions. Understanding the basics. Varchar, variable length character string. Varchar stores character strings of variable length. When you define a varchar column, you must specify a maximum length, example varchar, 255. MySQL